Hey guys, today I would like to show you about how to set the animation for picture layer. We use HTML and CSS language, okay? And for this style layer, we use Script. Okay, it's important we have a page and we want to set the gallery for them, and it has some animation for any picture. So do this. Okay, now let me do it together. So the first of all, let me create one that I create a folder, and it is for index file HTML, and this is image that I have, okay, and this is the style CSS and the CSS language, okay, and then we move it to our editor that we like it, okay, and now this is an HTML structure, so okay, and image, so maybe I need to link to CSS, that is CS and style.cs. You need to use HTML CSS like this over here, okay. And now I set one is dev and one the div is for A2. It is gonna be my gallery, okay. And inside container, so we have formative is the content on the image, yes, and I need to set for one image is one div, okay. So this one is image, so I rename it to contain image, and this is image, okay. And inside I have, so this one is image, just load this, and this I call it from 1 to 8, yeah. So that is we go to the inside the folder, and the name is one.th, okay. So we copy it and we pass and th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need one more. One more is H. Okay. So let's see the result. The new result you see here. Okay, and then let me go to style the CSS. CSS. So I'm gonna make the bodies margin 0 and headings is 0, okay. And one more thing, it is gonna we start to it to width is 1%, and for background is maybe it is a bit low, so row is should be like this. So you will see this one, okay. And for height, I think height is for 650 pixels, okay. Yes, and then we start to this one, to S2. It is a title like that. It's gonna be, the color is white, and visualize center, font size 40 pixels, padding 0, margin is also 0, and so let's see, yeah, okay. And now we start to the image, contain image. So this one, this contain image. It is inside container, so we can use like this also, and it's important. Container and containment. Let's start to this one. Okay. It means that contain image is inside the container like that. Okay, and maybe it is I set too much in left. So margin left 90%, and to again contain image, but we call the class inside image. See here? So this one is the big one, and then contain image, and this is a div that have class image, so we call it all. And maybe with this, I use it to the rectangle like this. Okay, and for width is 200%, for height is 200%, and the cursor is pointer. Why? Because you see this, you see the pointer like that, cursor like that. Okay, and you see this one. Okay, and then we put the float left. Okay, it's not good. And for the margin, it is gonna be 20%. So, and then start to container image. Sorry, this is gonna be image and image like this, and then the width is the same, like 200%, height is 250%, and transition is 5. So you see like this. Okay, and this is our result, and we don't have the animation yet, but this one we have like this. Okay, it's the same picture and the same style. So and then we wanted this go into overflow. Let's try that, and we still know nothing happened, and we put the hover on it, image, this image hover, and then I put transform is to scan, and this one is the important one. I put 1.2 like this. So you see, but we need to transition or transform. So it's too fast. Yes. If you put one, it means that it's no action. That is just a bit action. And 0.5, which will zoom in like that. Okay. And but I want to set it to 1.2. Okay, this one. Okay, this is our result, and this is our code for CSS. Okay, and this is HTML. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will get new style or something new more than this video. Okay, good luck with your study. Thanks.